Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a sticky sidebar in WordPress. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, click on login and sign in with your Google account so you can easily access your dashboard. From there, click on the edit site over here, and once you are on the page editor, you can easily click on the plus icon and add your sidebar if you haven't yet so far. Okay. So for example, once you have your sidebar selected on your page, when adding some groups, you can select on it. For example, let me just add a sidebar over here. Okay. You can click on the block section and it should show this particular option. Okay. Position. So it should be by default. Okay. But I want you to select the drop down box and select sticky. Okay. And make sure to select that. Then, once done, make sure to hit Save Changes. And that's it. You have now successfully added a sticky sidebar in WordPress that stays visible as visitors scroll through your website. I hope you found this video very helpful.